Alright, back with another one. I guess you could say this is kind of phase 2. It's my 1966 Toyota Stout. Just got her home from the shop a couple weeks ago. We've got all new fuel system, fuel tank, new carburetor, put a Weber carb on it. Got an aluminum radiator because the original one had a hole in it. So when I got this thing, it was running on a Zephyr Hills bottle, and I could run it for 5 or 10 minutes before I had to shut it off because the radiator would start bubbling over. So she runs and drives on her own now. Found some old 15-inch Ford wheels, 15 by 6.5, I think. Just painted them up there and slapped them on for now. They look better than the original 14s. Couldn't fit them on before after the disc brake conversion. But sorry about the bumpies. She runs really good now. Just drove around the neighborhood a couple times. Taking it in tomorrow to get the clutch replaced and have a little bit of work done on the linkage, just to make it a little bit easier to drive. Sorry as I navigate my tree. But this is her. I have a fender in the garage for that crunched up one on the other side. Just waiting to get a little bit of money together to take it to the body shop and have it installed and painted to match. But anyways, I hope you guys like her. I certainly do. Looking forward to taking it on some trips, taking it to some shows. If you missed my last video, these are the ones that have those cool 4-speed shifters on the column. Cool little truck. Thanks for watching, guys.